Papa wanted me to set up a game for him.
What game is that? Feels so like. You guys want to do this song?
Or maybe not.
Well, he called me yesterday.
Oh, you have your microphone? I got your microphone.
Yeah. Press A and B at the same time, Mama? There you go. Love you.
Yeah. You done? Do it again, Arya? Do it again?
Yeah. Oh! Hey, did that. Good job.
We always have a dungeon and black bathroom, no?
You also, girls, remember, sit down.
Go! See? As soon as you go like this, you leave. Sorry guys. It's the Wi-Fi.
We still watch TV? Oh, that's a great look.
Don't do it too, what do you call it? Make your handwriting, here, see? And then you have to think.
Who exactly needs you be in charge of me? I will not listen to what you want.
What is it supposed to be?
It's up to me. I can leave you
It's okay.
anytime.
I'm gonna correct it anyway. Okay?
I'll bring my baby up the way I want. This is not the proper way to feed the baby. I'm telling you that this is what my baby likes to eat for bed. Oh, where did my little baby go to?
Arya, Arya, ask me. Arya, ask me. Ask me, Arya.
Honey, nawala yung connection dun sa game.
Ano?
Yung connection sa game nawala.
Ay, ay, ay.
Hindi namin malaro.
Pag ayaw mag-connect, buksan mo yung yung remote, merong green doon, red. Tapos doon sa meron din red. I-press mo sila ng sabay. Tapos sa taas, doon sa meron parang isang game na iba, maraming game doon sa taas.
Remote
Di pa naman. Oo, yung remote.
Remote ng ano? Ng TV?
Yung hawak mo.
Green pareho eh.
Meron light? Ano nakalagay sa light? Blue?
Wala naman light eh. Walang
Blue light?
wifi. Walang wifi. Nawala yung
Walang wifi.
No connection.
So, hindi ka pwedeng manood ng TV?
Ano yung TV? Pero wala daw connection.
Hindi mo kailangan ng wifi doon. So, yung number 1, yun ay gumagana. So, ang gagawin nung unang, merong number 1 tsaka number 2 na remote. Okay? Ngayon, yung first, merong kamay. Merong kamay na gumagalaw. Na?
Tinry ko na lahat. Hindi pwede. Kaya ikaw na lang pag-uwi mo. Hindi ka na.
O, yung tsokolate at yung mga candy nandun sa side, nakita ba nila?
Hindi. Eh, Papa.
Ha? There's a chocolate and candy and lollipop upstairs. Can you hear me? Esme, Arya? Go, get it. There's the chocolate, lollipop, and goodies there.
Go, Edwin. It's on the table.
No, it's not in the fridge, honey. Nandun sa lamesa. Doon sa bandang itaas na may mga tray. Nandun lahat yung mga pagkain nila.
I know, I told them it's on the table. Edwin, go.
So there's a lot of chocolate and lollipop there. Yeah. Go ask me. It's right there on that corner with a tray. There's a lot of it's in a plastic bag. Did you see it? You see it? Okay. Right there on that corner. In the corner with a tray. A brown tray. Yeah. See? Arya can see it.
Nakita na nila.
Mm. Hindi man lang tinuro sa'yo ni Warren?
Naglalaro kami kanina, tapos biglang wala.
Okay, okay. I gotta go. Love you, bye.
So,